Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by inserting a compatible SD card and backing up anything critical. Do this now so you don't lose data. Once the card is recognized, open Settings and go to Storage so you can see internal usage versus the new card. Make sure the card is high enough speed for apps if you plan to move apps. Immediately tap the SD card entry and choose the option to set it up. This is the first actionable step toward moving storage, not a pause for more setup. Once done formatting, decide what to store where. Adoptable storage treats the card as internal, allowing apps to move, while portable mode keeps it separate for media. If you format as internal, the phone will encrypt the card. Make sure you won't remove it frequently. Then use the Migrate or Move Data button in storage settings to transfer apps and files. You should watch the progress and keep the phone charged, because interrupting this step can corrupt moved apps or files. You finish by confirming that apps and media appear on the SD card and that internal storage space has freed up. Open a few apps to ensure they run. Make sure to unmount the card from storage before physically removing it and reboot the device after migration. If an app fails to open or data seems missing, try rebooting first, then reinsert the card. If problems persist, restore from your backup or reformat the card and repeat the migration. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.